Hello guys, welcome back to another garage door video update. This one's been a while since I posted one, and I apologize for not posting any garage updates for a while, guys. Okay, so first off, we're going to start with the LiftMaster, and this is belt driven. Here we go. Alright, now we're going to move on to the Chamberlain and Stanley. See you there. Okay guys, so here is the Chamberlain, like I mentioned after the LiftMaster clip. So here it goes down. And then here goes up. And then here goes down. Alright, now we're moving on to the Stanley right now, guys. Okay, guys, so I don't have the clicker for the Stanley, so we're gonna open and close it twice with this button right there. Where it says, where you saw it, guys, so it's a garage door control. So here we go. And then here goes up. Okay, and then here it goes down. Okay guys, so now we're gonna move on to the Genie in the next part. See you there. Okay guys, so here's the Genie, but the vibration is back, guys, so if you guys want to turn it down, go on ahead, and here we go. Here's the Genie. Okay guys, so that is it for these openers, and I'm going to include two different openers that are filmed from another place that, okay? So I hope you guys can see it. See you there.